Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Nisfur RM. I am a student from Diploma for Electromedical Engineering Polytechnic Surabaya. In this occasion, I want to show how to soldering component. Firstly, you can know solder is a tool to assembling or disassembling component electronic or PCB board. And solder can change electric energy to heat energy. Items that need to be prepared. First is solder and solder place like that. Timah extractor, solder, cutting, electronic component, and PCB board. And then the last is avometer. Oh, don't forget is power. There are steps to soldering component. Firstly, heat the solder to power. This is 3 until 5 minutes, and then clean the PCB board from oil or dirty, and then clean the component electronic. There are clean from dirty, and then the leg. This is after that the component is ready to install. Don't install component at once, but gradually, step by step. And then the first, input the component electronic on a port in PCB board. This is there is a hole in PCB board like circuit from electronic. Prepare thin solder and solder that already heat. After that, you can cut the leg from electronic component. This is the result from solder. To know this is a success or not, you can check with avometer. When the soldering in circuit is right, you can hear a buzzer from multimeter. And then this is we can check now. So this is the sign of the circuit is right. And this is the one of the function of solder. When you have something wrong or something that's wrong, you can use the solder to disparate this component like this. This is the timah extractor. When the timah is melt, you can use timah extractor like this, and the component electronic can be put again. When you are using the solder and then you have a tin left in the solder, you can use oil solder to clean the tin that left. And you can continue with your soldering. Okay, that is all from me. Forgive me if my remark is talkless, and then see you anytime.